this is Alex, technician from Conover Plumbing. So I'm going to go ahead and inspect the line from the clean out locator in the restroom, just right above the toilet. I'm going to inspect the line to verify the condition of the system. So this pipe runs from the just right underneath the toilet toward the street. And this is the original pipe. This is a cast iron since they built this building. So the pipe is not a bad condition on this location. We're gonna go ahead and push it forward and verify the rest of the pipe, so it runs from here to the street. Here, there's a little bit of, it's typical normal pipe over the years, always gonna build up and get corrosion, so you just recommend it to be just flushing out by using a high pressure water machine. It's a little, some small belly. Section of roots. So from this point right here, it's got some roots in the pipe. It's a separate joint. So 103 feet from this clean out. So I was not able to pass it, so what I recommend is just it has to be hydrojet the line in order to inspect the rest of the remaining section from this point up to the city line. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the camera back.